Vietnamese roasted pork with mac mat leaves. Traditional recipe in just 2 hours. To achieve a perfectly roasted pig with golden skin, crispy texture, and irresistible aroma, every step must be done with care. Step 1. Preparing and marinating. The pig is thoroughly cleaned and lightly scored so the seasoning can penetrate evenly. The marinade includes salt, 5-spice powder, pepper, honey, lemongrass, and marinade leaves. It is rubbed inside and out, making the meat both tender and fragrant. The quick marination takes about 30 minutes. Step 2. Setting up the oven and skewer. The pig is firmly fixed onto the roasting spit. Charcoal is lit evenly, keeping a steady, moderate heat, not too strong to avoid burning the skin. Step 3. Roasting. The pig is slowly rotated over the fire, always kept at the right distance from the charcoal. During the roasting, the cook continuously brushes a mixture of honey and oil over the skin, giving it a glossy golden color. The roasting process lasts from 1.5 to 2 hours. Step 4. Finishing and enjoying. When the skin is puffed and crispy, producing a crackling sound when tapped, the pig is taken down and cut into pieces. A mouth-watering aroma fills the air. This is the essence of traditional Vietnamese roasted pork.